This is part 3. Look at that little one. That's little one, but he is so angry. Let's watch him because he's gonna. Yeah. It's so hot in the Philippines. I think tomorrow is gonna rain.
I think so.
Good for farmers. It's gonna
Part
rain.
3 na.
Yes, this is part 3.
Part 4 na sa
Look
likod.
at him. He is throwing pebbles. Joke lang. Okay, let's done that. He's gonna be here little minute. Let's just wait for her to come home. So hot. I think he's gonna come here. And now we're done playing Sleeper Mannequin. Leave a comment. Please subscribe, guys, because I have only seven subscribers. Oh my God, she wanna hug me. He's just joking, angry. Oh my God, many ants. Wait, where is it? See that? See that? So many ants. Oh my God, it's on the wall. Oh my God, no! He's gonna bite you. No! Where is Stacy? Where is Stacy? He just come out with the road nowhere. Oh.
Nowhere to find.
There is poop in here, think, because some. Oh my God! I'm gonna get out of here. Oh my God, that is Tai. Oh my God! I hate chocolate, but I'm gonna eat chocolate.
Part 5 activation mode activate.
He is also a subscriber.
A YouTuber.
A YouTuber. He is.
Me too. And his viewers and subscriber is 1 and I'm 5 and I'm 2. I have a billion subscribers.
I have 7.
But in my TikToker invitation, there's 100 billion.
What? So this bubblegum just fall and she's gonna go by you.
Mine is now. My TikTokers is 200. 2000.
2,000?
Bitaw.
Me? I have